Welcome. Is your microwave suddenly popping, sparking, flashing, and it looks like there's a thunderstorm in your microwave? Then you should turn it off immediately, of course. And then maybe I have a solution for you, and it's a very easy repair. It just costs a few bucks. You actually don't need any serious tools for this, and any child should be able to repair this. And even before you buy anything, you can check if this solution might help you. So basically, in most microwaves, you have this kind of plastic sheet inside on the side. If this one is very dirty, or if there is a hole, then your microwave might start flashing and sparking. And here you can see there's already a hole, but actually I already cleaned this plastic part. And as you can see, this plastic sheet is just slid inside the cutouts in the metal here, and without this plastic thing you cannot use your microwave properly, or if you let it run too long with all the sparks and lightning and flashes, then you can seriously damage your microwave. But if you turn it off fast, then you can repair it very easily. So basically here is this plastic sheet, so you can just pull it out. Yeah, I was cleaning this and I saw there's a hole in there. If it's just black on one side, you can try to just turn around maybe then it's working again. But usually if it starts flashing, popping and sparking, then you might have a hole. So basically you just need a replacement part just on the side. I think this is a very good example of planned obsolescence. Companies, they just put in this cheap parts, so they break after a certain amount of time or a certain amount of usage. And the solution is very easy. So if you go to Amazon and you search for waveguide cover for microwave, you can find many offers. So depending on how your waveguide looks like, you can choose one of these different offers. I chose this one, 4 pieces with scissors, but you can choose the ones without scissors. You probably have scissors, so actually you can use the scissors you use maybe for cutting your nails. They might be sharper, but I'm going to show you how I did this. So there are different prices, but I did not find the right shape here. So you can measure your sheet, your part, and if you find the right shape and size, then you can order directly the right part. But I ordered the big sheets. I got this one, this is the price in euro because I'm in Europe actually, but I think this is an international problem because I heard something that there are only one real producer of microwaves, and all the other companies, they just buy from that company. And so then you have this waveguide covers and they break after some time. So you can see here the new sheets. It's like a cardboard with mica rock parts on there. It's difficult to explain how it feels, but then I was just drawing around the shape for the waveguide cover I needed. And then I started to cut, and it's kind of like very crumbly cardboard because this mica stone, of course, it's a crumbly stone-like material. And so you have to be careful to not cut too much or don't break off too much. So it's actually not so easy to cut, but if you're careful, I think it should be no problem. And there are some little cutouts, which is, I think, impossible with the scissors. And I just used some pliers. So if you have any pliers, or maybe you can be creative, or you can try to use some knife, and you can just break off like little pieces to get this cutouts done. So it's not super difficult. And here you can see the result. It's not super beautiful, but it works. So I put this into the microwave. As you can see, before it looked like this. And then I put in the new part, and actually this new part was much thicker. The material is much thicker, so I think it will last much longer. Basically, it's a very cheap part. And now, as you can see, the microwave is running and there's no popping, no sparks, no lightning. You can see it's actually working. And then here I have a picture of a glass with water. And here you can see we could not find the glass plate, but microwaves can work and last very, very long. And just because this one little plastic thing breaks down does not mean you need a new microwave. Yeah, I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, maybe you can consider using my online shopping links below in the video description. If you want to buy something on Amazon, for example, I get a small commission if you use my links, no matter what you buy actually. But I'm linking to the waveguides I used, and you can choose some others if you prefer. I will try to add the links for all the English-speaking countries. Well, maybe you can write a comment if it works for you, or if you have some experience with other microwave problems. And of course, you can subscribe to my channel, although I'm not doing this kind of repair videos very often. Of course, a thumbs up would be very nice if this video helped you. And as you can see, this solution actually works. So it sounds very serious when suddenly your microwave starts popping and sparking, but basically it's just one plastic thing which the producers put in to break down after some time. It's a very cheap part to replace, and it's actually super easy. I hope you can repair your microwave as easily as I did mine and enjoy using your microwave for all kinds of things.